This is a professional toner application. Through the bleach touch-up, I lifted her to a level 9. Her midshaft and ends were already bleached and they're a level 10. Now, I put this diagram up to show you the cuticle layer, the medulla in the middle, and the cortex. The bleach goes into the cortex layer to eliminate pigments. So when you do the toner, you want to just put that on the surface like sheer fingernail polish. It sits on the cuticle layer on the outside of the hair, and that makes it super fragile, easy to shampoo away, easy to burn off with hot tools. And deep conditioners. You don't want to use really deep conditioners that open the cuticle layers because that will cause the toner to dislodge from the hair shaft. I continue applying the toner at the scalp up to 2 inches out. I go throughout the entire head. I go through the crown, I go through the mid-back, the lower back, and paying special attention to the perimeter. I allow the toner to process from the scalp to 2 inches out for 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how warm that new growth is. After 15 to 20 minutes of processing, then I begin to apply a fresh batch of toner. Yes, that's right. I go and mix a fresh batch of toner to apply to the mid shaft and ends. Why is that? Because already the toner in the bowl has been sitting up to 25 minutes, and the toner is only going to be active for a total of 45 minutes. So that's not enough time to give deposit to the mid shaft and ends. So I want all the hair to process evenly. So after the 1 to 2 inches processes for up to 20 minutes, then I go and mix a fresh batch of toner, including all the goodies. I include all the bond multipliers, all the bond builders, all the collagen, and then I reapply the toner from roots to tip. If you notice, I'm applying the toner with a brush. After the hair has been bleached, it is extremely fragile, and I don't want to do anything that can break or abrade the hair shaft during the toning process. Now, these brushes, I guess it's a mixture of a spatula and a brush. The tips are very soft. It's made of silicone. You don't need to apply that much hair color. It doesn't absorb the color like a brush can absorb the hair color. You can buy these brushes on our platform at beautywellnesshaircare.com. They come in a set of 6. They have different size brushes, some specifically for coloring around the ears. They have some with a notched edge that will give you a more of a variegated color effect. It's really amazing, and they're very gentle on the hair. Rub your hair color applicator brush against your cheek. If it scratches, you need to throw it away. It can break fragile bleached hair. And this is the final result. Isn't it fabulous? I sculpted her hair and I dried her under an ionic hood dryer. I used the Joico Reconstructing Leave-In, and this is the result. I still have to shape her and trim her. We have a full video that shows the razor haircut with the scissor edge trim. I'm going to leave the link in the description so you can see that full video. It's fantastic. Thank you for watching, and please hit that subscribe button and leave us a comment. We love sharing all of the tips and the product that we use with you.